Anybody else would like to share?
For me, the first impression I feel sometimes it is very important. Like, right, if I am in some problem
Hmm.
and the person remembers, or for example, my manager remembers the way I have been with him, the way I have been behaving with him, and he, instead of putting a back behind and just coming out and saving me to in front of the big, I would say, big dignitaries, that would be something I would feel that yes, I had a good first impression on him. That is the reason today he saved me. Just
Okay.
an example.
Okay. Okay. So it's and do you think that first impression goes like it is a last impression?
Yes, yes, of course, the first impression is the last impression.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Divya. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Anybody else would like to? Ravi, you are back? No, it's not back till now. Okay, no problem. So we will continue our discussion. Yes, Komal, would you like to share your thoughts?
Ma'am,
Komal.
yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the topic? I just reached home.
Okay.
So,
No.
एक बार topic,
So,
yes, yes.
so as you know, right, we have a guest speaker today, and the topic which is related to first impression and personal branding, right? Why first impression is crucial and why it is important to have a personal branding, why it is important to carry or build a personal branding. So that was, I wanted to understand your perspective. So if you like to add something.
Hi, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I am agree with that because we judge a candidate or some person by their in first impression because it is
Hmm.
famous proverb says like first impression is the last impression.
Hmm.
So it is very very important to make the credibility in front of others. It is so first impression is always the last impression. It is very very important. I am 100% agree with that
Okay. Okay.
to set that credibility in front of others and to show yourself like how much confident and for the personal branding itself. So it is very very important to close the deals and everything,
Hmm.
so that all depends on the first impression.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, very, I mean, I think you all agree that yes, first impression is very important because even if you meet a person, whether it is personal or professional gathering, if you meet a person and if you like his first impression, even if you're not talking to the person, even if you're not meeting for the to the person in future, but you feel the vibes, you feel that yes, this is the person whom I can talk to, whom I can get along with, right? So whenever you are having a personal or professional get together, then also you feel yes, you understand the vibe, you understand the energy of that person. That includes the first impression also.